What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 3, where we are going to be talking about social awareness, or building your social medias, building your community, building hype behind your brand. So before you start selling your clothing online, you want to build a community. You want to build hype behind the brand, so people get excited about, oh, I can't wait till this drops and I can't wait to purchase this. And this is our kind of blueprint that we're going to be sharing with you guys. So with TikTok, we're going to be pumping out a lot of content on TikTok, because that's where most of our sales were coming from in our earlier stages. So we can't deny that it didn't work. We are going to be using a rinse and repeat technique of content. Further in the future, once we get content rolling out onto our TikTok, we will do a video on what a rinse and repeat technique is. But if you follow the TikTok and you see the content, you'll probably get an idea of what it means. So TikTok, yep, just video content, constant, uploading probably 3 times a day. And what we're going to be doing on Instagram is we're going to be taking those videos from TikTok and we're probably going to share them on our Reels. Same thing, 3 times a day. And pics, I think with Instagram, pics what everyone checks out. So we want to do lifestyle pics, imagery, even like work imagery, like when we're working on the clothing itself or shipping orders and stuff like that, and also product imagery, obviously. So I have a little studio set up here at the HQ, and I will be doing a lot of that as well. Now, for more content for Reels on Instagram, I suggest by bulking your content. So even if you're just working on your products and stuff, film everything, because you never know what will pop up in the moment. And there's always times where I find myself filming myself, like doing a gym session, and you can hear people talking to me and we're having good conversations back and forth, and it's really good content. So what you do with the long content, skip through it, and if you find good little segments of content in there, cut it up and post those. So easy, instead of trying to come up with ideas all the time about creating content. Long amounts of content is the best way to get small pieces of content that you can post multiple times. Now, what I recommend is you either post every day, even if it's once, or every second day. Like 1 day away is pretty long for social media content, but I don't think people would miss you that much if you're doing it every second day. Now, this strategy is one strategy I adopted off a person or company called Bomber Sneakers. If you're out from Western Sydney, you know who Bomber is, and his stickers are absolutely everywhere. So there's a walk, it's about a 3K walk, I think, and it's the Nepean River Walk. And if you do this walk, his stickers are absolutely riddled on this walk. You can't escape them. They're just everywhere, and it's good advertising. Not free, but it is a good way to get your company or your brand stuck into someone's head when you're constantly seeing it. So he just puts his logo on there and puts his Instagram ad on there. They're quite big, and they really do catch your attention. This is what I have done as well in the past, and I've found it has worked. Not in a huge degree, but it does work. I also do it by putting them in people's mailboxes. You're probably going to see a video of me doing it in Bondi soon. I'm probably going to try and riddle the beach walkways with stickers as well. But yeah, that is episode 3, how to build social awareness. Pretty hard and fast episode. Hope you guys enjoyed that. The next episode will be our final episode for starting a clothing brand, and this is going to be about the dropping your product for the first time. All right, guys, I'm Mass. I'm out. See you episode 4.